The most valuable thing that we have is the service of the people who give their time. We have doctors who are giving their time, we have medical professionals of other sorts, nurses. We have great wealth in America. There are many people who still, in our county, have difficulty accessing health care. And what we have are hundreds of people who are willing to give that care for free, who are willing to give an evening of their night a week and come out and meet the needs of those around. We've got people with needs and we've got people who are willing to meet those needs, but matching those two up, especially in American society, is very difficult to do. And if you can imagine what it would cost to build a state-of-the-art medical facility, it is ridiculously prohibitive and something like this could not happen. The most important thing that we spend money on as an organization is the medicine, the x-rays, the laboratory work, and we would much rather give somebody the medicine that they need than say, glad you came to visit us, here's a piece of paper, now go figure out how to get this $120 worth of prescription filled. Yes, we have two ridiculously overworked and ridiculously underpaid part-time people who help us out. We think that's important because it's a medical facility. And I would like for you to consider either making a donation, and I realize that you've made a gift just in coming to this and we're grateful for that. But we would ask you to make a donation to us or write onto the envelope an amount that you think you can come up with by the end of the year. So if my board members would please start passing out some envelopes.
These black